Hi, this is the Queen Phoenix. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we're just going to quickly make a stuffed heart. You need any color wool, the appropriate size crochet hook, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors, and some stuffing. You're going to start with a magic circle and chain 2. Then you're going to make 3 trebles. This is yarn over twice. That's the first treble, second, third. Now you're going to make 4 double crochet, yarn over once. Second one, third, then you're going to make 1 treble. That is the center of your heart. So you're already done with 1/2 of it. Now for the second part of this heart, you're going to make 4 double crochet. I just pulled the tail of it. Then you're going to make 3 trebles. It's the same thing you did on the other side of the heart, but just in reverse. Now you're going to chain 2. When you chain this chain 2, you need to slip stitch back into the magic circle. So at this stage you've got a very tiny heart, which you can leave like that. But now we're going to do row 2. Do not pull the magic circle closed completely. Now can you remember we started with the chain 2? Now I'm not sure if you can see this as well. So there's the first one and there's the second one. So in that 2 stitches, those 2 chain, you're going to make a single crochet in the first one and another single crochet in the second chain. Let me just do that again. In the third stitch, well, the very first stitch that you can see there, you're going to do 2 half a double crochets in that 1 stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to do 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, it's 2 half a double crochets. In the next 4 stitches, it's 1 half a double crochet. So it's 1 half a double crochet in each stitch 4 times. So that gives you, now you're done with half of your heart, the second row. You're going to do the center of your heart. So you need to put these 3 stitches into the next stitch as follows: 1 half a double crochet, 1 double crochet, and a half a double crochet. That's the center. Excuse me. Now it's 1 half a double crochet in the next stitch, the same for the next 3 stitches, just 1. Now you're going to put 2 half a double crochets in the next stitch. In the next stitch, it's 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, 2 half a double crochets. And we're right back to the 2 chain. In those chain, in each one you're going to make a single crochet. So just one single crochet per chain stitch, which should give you 2. And you're going to slip stitch back into the magic circle. See that slip stitch there, right there. But when I pull it, I see the top wasn't looking all that nice, so just keep your tension on the top of your crochet hook a bit more stiff. Pull it out, so that's your slip stitch, and chain 1. If you want a flat heart, you can leave it like this. You just need to cut your tail and work it in, and pull your tail nicely so that your heart comes together perfectly. So you can leave it like this if you want a flat heart. But I'm going to use white to join 2 hearts. So I've already made the second one. And I'm not even working in that tail because of the stuffing I'm going to put in. You won't even see it. So I made this red one earlier on. And you need to put both hearts back to back. And you're going to start on the very last stitch that you just did, which was a single crochet. When you join, you're going to start on that single crochet. So just find it on the other side and go through it. Oops, there it flies. I pulled too tight. Right. Now, I'm just going to go through the back loop of every stitch across. I will tell you this, again, it's your choice, because you can also crochet this closed. You can use any type of stitch that you want to close it. I'm doing this, this one, but you can also blanket stitch this closed. It's all dependent on you. I made 2 different color hearts. You can make one color or as many colors as you want to, because there's 2 rows. So you can really decide exactly what you want to do. So that's when you get there, you stuff your heart and you just close it off with a few more stitches. You can even use a contrasting color wool to close this off. Now, when you're on your last stitch, just make sure to go through a few extra stitches inside the body and to secure your yarn. Also, if you want, you could have just chained it and made about 15 to 20 chain and hung this up. You can also use this as a pincushion, wall decoration, or even a keychain. Right, cut your yarn. That's it. All done. Please leave me a comment, subscribe, tag me if you decide to make one. If you're planning to make one, let me know. Makes a perfect gift with Valentine's coming up. Teacher gift. Thank you so much for watching.